With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, figure shows a square loop of side 0.5 meter and resistance 10 ohm. The magnetic field has the magnitude B, that is 1 Tesla. So the work done in pulling the loop out of the field slowly and uniformly in 2 seconds is, so this is our magnetic field and V is the velocity of this square loop, and we have the one length of this side is, this is 0.5 meter. It is given to us and we have 4 options. We have to find the work done here. A, B, C, D options are given to us. So correct option is, so the solution of this question is, we know that work done is equals to force into displacement, that is F into D. So let's suppose this is equation 1 and we have the D is given to us 0.5 meter. So from this we can write here work done is 0.5 and multiplied with F, and this is equation second here. And we know that speed is equals to distance divided by time. So distance is 0.5 and we have the time is 2 seconds, that is equals to 0.25 meter per second. So this is our speed here and we can find the induced EMF, that is equals to magnetic field multiplied with L, that is distance length, and V is the velocity. So we have the magnetic field is 1 Tesla. So we can write here 1.0 Tesla multiplied with 0.5, that is L, and velocity, that is speed, is 0.25. So on solving this, we get this is equals to, our EMF is equals to 0.125, and we know that force is equals to I into L into V. So we have this will equals to 0.125 and this is 0.5 and this is 1 Tesla and this is divided by 10 here, and from this we can write here this is divided by, as we know that V is equals to IR, as we have V is equals to IR. So from this we get V is equals to current is equals to voltage divided by resistance. So we have V is 0.25, that is our EMF, and R is 10 ohm. So from this we have written this the term. So from this we can write here this is 6.25 into 10 power minus 3 Newton. So this is our force here. If we put in the equation second, so we get work done is equals to 0.5 into F, and this will equals to 0.5 into 6.25 into 10 power minus 3. So from this we get work done is 3.125 into 10 power minus 3 joule. And this is the answer for this question. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option A is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.